Honorable President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu ji, Honorable Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, Honorable Speaker Sri Biman Banerjee, most respected Chief Justice of India, Sri Prakash Srivastava, Honorable Mayor Sri Firad Hakim, my younger colleague in the service, Chief Secretary Sri S.K. Dwivedi, my brothers and sisters of Kolkata and Bengal. This is a moment of moments when not only the citizens of Kolkata, but even the gods rejoice. I have a reason for asserting that. In the Vedas it is said, Yatra Nairyastu Pujyante, Yatra Nairyastu Pujyante, Ramande Tatra Devata. Where women are honored, there the gods rejoice. This is an occasion where this great nation is celebrating Azadi Ka Amrita Mahotsav. What more glory do we need? What more recognition and respect Indian womanhood needs than the glaring fact this republic, this largest democracy in the world, is led by the tallest lady statesman, our own President, Srimati Draupadi Murmu ji. 3 cheers. This speaks for the success of democracy. This speaks for the success of women power. This speaks for the great tradition of India, where whatever is dear and respected is called mother. We have Bharat Mata, Mother India. We have Mother Earth, Bhumi Mata. We have Mother Nature. Our language is mother tongue. Yes, this is a land where women have always been respected. And that respect is coming back. As the Honorable Chief Minister has said, Bengal is a place which has produced great ladies, great leaders from among the women. We have Sarojini Naidu, Madangani Asara, we have Sarada Devi, we have the great leaders have all been here, who enrich this nation through their might and prowess. And we have in our history, we have Gargi, Maitreyi, we have Rani Lakshmi Bai, we have Ahalya Holkar. Yes, the list of illustrious women who have shaped up the course of things and shaped up history is all there. Let us not forget that when we had the COVID, the pandemic, who ran the country? This country was run from the kitchen. Some people in the West who food. India is ruled by the kitchen cabinet, yes. It is the housewives who saw that this nation was set on back on rails during the COVID. There was no starvation, death. We owe it to the farmers and the housewives. The housewives are called homemakers. Homemakers are not just homemakers. Homemakers are nation builders. In and out, look at India's president. Whether a homemaker can turn herself into a nation builder, that is a situation, environment in which we are built up here. I do not want to take more of your time. I have come from Kerala. I am the proud son of a humble freedom fighter whose one and only hero was Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. That is why humble people like me are also known as Boses. Yes, Bengal is my second home. I claim to be the adopted son of Bengal. Please accept me. I would like to be acknowledged my first home when the Honorable President ordered me to come here as the governor. I was so delighted because Bengal was my promised land. Bengal was my dreamland. Honorable President, you have been kind enough to send me to my promised land, to my dreamland. I also admire, I also adore, Vanadurga. I found that this is a place which is blessed abode of Kali, Ma Kali. Now there is something which I would bring to your kind attention. Raktasura once challenged Mahadeva and Parvati in Kailas. He dared to come and challenge Mahadeva. If you are daring enough, you coward, you come for a fight with me. He did not stop there. He abused the womanhood of Parvati. Parvati felt, why? When somebody is abusing me, My husband who is omnipotent, why he is not doing anything? Suddenly, Parvati felt a spirit within her wake up. That is a spirit of Kali. Kali Ma came out. Rektasura, with each thud of Kali, a drop of blood falls from Rektasura. From that drop of blood, another Rektasura is born. That is why when Ma decided to drink blood, that is Kali. When the women power was unleashed from within, there was no end to it. Everybody thought the whole world will be destroyed under the fury of the might and fury of Ma Kali. How to tame her? How to tame her? Shiva came and prostrated before Ma, sensing that it is unfair to tread on one's own husband. Ma came back to her Saumya Rupa. From Raudra Bhava to Saumya Rupa she came. This is internal strength which is there in all women. This is internal strength that has been manifest here. India is ready to respect its older tradition of respecting the Ma. At this age in my life, I can say, we never learn anything in our life more than what we learn from the mother. If India is great, our mothers knew how to look after their children. It is said, if the child is not grown well, the mother has not groomed him up well. The converse is also true. If Indian children, new generation, are respected the world over, it is because our mothers groomed them up well. Yes, mother is a symbol of purity. Mother is a symbol of affection. Mother is a symbol of sacrifice. In my village, there is a slippery bridge which connects the hamlet with the school. Whenever the four-year-old girl, she goes to the school, her mother will also come. When she is about to ascend the slippery bridge, the mother will say, please hold on to me tight. The young girl, four-year-old girl said, no, you should hold on to me. Mother said, isn't it the same? Whether I hold your hand or you hold my hand, it's the same. The young girl in her innocence says, no, if I hold your hand, I may lose the grip, looking here and there. But Mama, if you hold my hand, you will never lose the grip. That is a trust, that is mother. That is motherhood. Here motherhood is honored. 3 cheers to Indian motherhood, which is honored here. The best manifestation is our great president, the tallest lady statesman of the world, our pride, Draupadi Murmuji. Thank you. Thank you.